we are going to do past papers. Okay, so the first question and past paper about the state of matters. Okay, a gas syringe contains 60 centimeter cube of ethane gas. So that is a diagram and of gas syringe blocked ethane gas. State how the volume of ethane in a gas syringe changes when the temperature is decreased and the pressure remain constant. We know when the temperature decreases, kinetic energy will also decrease, and if kinetic energy will decrease, so volume will also decrease. Volume will decrease. Okay, volume decreases. That is a 1 mark for you. Okay, and now the second question is sulfur is an element in group 6 of a periodic table. Sulfur is a solid at room temperature and pressure. Describe the motion and separation of particles in sulfur molecule. Okay. So first of all, they if sulfur is a solid, so motion they can only vibrate. Okay, that is a 1 mark. Okay, and that's a 2 marks question. And separation is that they are close together, because in solid we know that every compound is close together and they cannot move freely. Liquid sulfur, next part is liquid sulfur reacts with chlorine to produce disulfur chloride. Okay, describe how the general and physical properties of liquid different from that of solid. Okay, so we have to uh, give them an answer that what is the difference between liquid and solid. So solid has a definite shape, whereas liquid doesn't. Okay, solid has definite shape. Okay, has definite shape. Okay, whereas liquid change its shapes uh, according to the structure that it is in. For example, if it is in glass, so it will change into the shape of glass. If it is in something else, it will change state according to that. And solid does not flow. Okay, second is solid cannot flow. Okay, solid cannot flow freely. Okay, water can flow freely, whereas solid cannot flow freely. Okay, that is a 2 marks for you. Okay, now the next question is about iron. Iron is extracted from iron ore in a blast furnace. Okay, so iron collect at the base of the blast furnace as a liquid. Describe the arrangement and motion of a particles in liquid. Arrangement, as it is liquid. Arrangement is, I will write here, irregular. Irregular because it is in liquid form. Okay, no particular arrangement. Irregular or no particular arrangement. Okay, no particular arrangement because liquid doesn't have any kind of arrangement. Okay, second is motion, sliding over each other, that we know, all of us know that motion would be slide. They will slide over each other because they are liquid. Okay, they will slide over each other. If you don't know about the state of matters and their properties, you can see my lecture on that. Okay, then you can try these questions. Okay. Okay, now a question is about nitrogen and compounds of nitrogen. Um, oh, okay. Ammonia is a simple molecule with a covalent bond. Okay. Aqueous ammonia release ammonia gas. Ammonia gas turn dam litmus paper blue because it's an alkaline gas. We know that a gas that we also discuss in our lectures. A long glass tube is set as shown, a cotton soak in aqueous ammonia and dam red litmus paper. At first, the litmus paper does not turn blue. Okay, after a short time, the litmus paper turn blue. Explain these results in terms of kinetic particle theory. Okay, so that is due to the diffusion. After diffusion take slowly, gradually move from molecules move from one side to another side, then it will starts to turn. Okay, how? When this ammonia molecule start diffusing in this direction, and when it will reach red litmus paper, it will then turn the litmus paper blue. Okay, that is, first is diffusion, and molecules is in constant movement, so they will take time to reach there. Okay, and molecules spread out. Okay, so these are the 3 points. If you want me to write, I will write it. First is diffusion. Okay, 1 second. First is diffusion, that is 1 mark. Okay, it will take time. Okay, molecules are in constant motion. Okay, molecules are in constant motion. And last one is molecules spread out or molecules hit litmus paper. Okay, that's any one of molecules hit litmus paper. Okay, molecules hit litmus paper. Okay, now next question is bromine is liquid at a room temperature. State two general properties of bromine. So what is the properties of liquid? First, liquid has fixed volume. Okay, fixed volume, not fixed shape, fixed volume. That is 1 mark. And what would be another? Mm, and we discussed take the shape of container whatever that is present. Okay, so for take the shape of the container that it is present. Take the shape of container, any type of container. Shape of container. Okay, now next question is bromine. Bromine shows the physical state of bromine. Okay, name the change of physical state from a state A and B. A is from liquid to solid. Liquid to solid is called freezing. Okay, that is freezing. Okay, and B is from liquid to gas. That is boiling. Okay, that is a 1 or 2 marks here. Okay, describe liquid bromine and bromine gas in terms of arrangement and motion of the particles. Okay, so liquid bromine arrangement is irregular arrangement because it is in liquid form. Irregular arrangement. Okay, and motion, we know that in liquid form they slide over each other. Slide over each other. Okay, now what about bromine gas? Now talk about bromine gas. So bromine gas, irregular arrangement. Okay, same. Regular arrangement is only in solid components. Okay, in regular arrangement, in gas and liquid we have irregular arrangement. Okay, motion, fast, rapid. Okay, fast, rapid because that is a gas. Okay, rapid and move everywhere. Okay, now a pie chart shows the question properties of main gases in clean dry air. So gas G and gas H. So describe the volume of gas G changes as temperature increases. As temperature increases, the volume, you can see here volume is increasing. So volume increases as temperature increases. Why? Because kinetic energy will increase, and kinetic energy there will be more collision, so volume will increase. Describe describe the arrangement and separation of particles in the, again same question. Uh, Irregular arrangement is irregular because it's a gas, and separation is far apart because gas far apart. My writing is not good, but you can understand what I'm saying. Okay. Now there is a question that a question about group 7 elements and their compounds. The state of lead are shown from what, name the change of state A and B. A is from liquid to solid, that is freezing. Okay. And from B, that is from liquid to gas, that is boiling. Okay. Simple. We have already done this question. Okay. Use kinetic energy molecule to describe the difference between liquid lead and lead gas in terms of separation. So in liquid gas, in liquid lead, there is uh, what can we say? A liquid close together. Okay. Compare to gas. Okay. Not compare to, close together in liquid, then gas. Okay. Liquid, then gas. In liquid they slide in liquid, whereas in gas they are in they are free moving. Okay. Okay. So now, under element X undergoes the following physical changes. Okay. Name each of them. From solid to liquid, that is called melting. Okay, that is melting. That is a one mark for that, I think. Melting. And two is what? Two is from gas to liquid, that is condensing. Okay, that is condensing. Okay. Three is liquid to solid, that is freezing. Okay, that is freezing. Okay, and last one is four is fourth one. Fourth one is liquid to gas, that is boiling. Okay, that's simply boiling. Okay, one difference between the between boiling and evaporation is the rate at which the process occurs. State one other difference between boiling and evaporation. Think about it. So boiling always happen at a specific temperature. Okay, for example, boiling occurs in specific temperature. Okay, sorry, my writing is not that good because, okay, boiling occurs in specific temperature where evaporation can happens at the range of temperature. Okay, describe the separation and motion of particles. uh, Element X in solid state. Solid state, we know they are touching each other. Separation, they are not separated, they are touching each other. Okay. And arrangement is regular, and motion, they can only vibrate because they are solid. If you want to go deep, you can take over online classes. Please share, subscribe with us. Thank you.